Pasok kayo. Today, we are at La Jolla, Bataan. So, we are going to have our room tour. So, pagpasok ng door, meron tayo ditong coffee station. So, may mga free water. May mini fridge din tayo. And also, our cabinet. So, meron ditong safety lock. May mga free sleepers naman. May extra pillow. Tapos, may mga hangers naman to hang your things. Tapos, dito, meron tayong, of course, bathroom. Pagpasok, yan, nandito yung lavatory. Nandito yung CR and yung shower area. So, may mga free towels na din dyan. May mga free toothbrush, shower cup, and so on. Tapos, dito meron tayong full-length mirror. So, pagpasok, ito yung main bedroom natin. So, we have 2 single beds. Meron tayo ditong working station, lagayan ng luggage. Tapos, meron din tayong television and veranda. So, may table lang doon. May sabitan ng mga basang damit din. So, ando dun yung beach. Yun lang guys, we're here for 3 days and 2 nights. Later, may mga bagong amenities tayong papakita. Kasi before nanggaling na kami dito. And for this weekend, isa-celebrate namin yung 2nd birthday ni Daisy.
Daisy, appear. Yeah. Hey kids!
Hi!
Hey, are you ready?
Yes!
Hey! No! Daisy, oh, video. Daisy, say hi sa video. Hi sa video. Hi!
Happy birthday!
Hi ka lang, hi. Hi! Ate, hi ka daw.
Wow!
Wow! Sino your birthday? Oh, blow me candle, blow me candle. Woo!
Hi guys! Let's go to the pool! Hello! Lucia! Hi! Ito yung bagong pool. And open daw yan hanggang 10 PM. So, later, magna-night swimming kami nila Lucia. Hi!
Madadapa ka, boy.
Before dito kami nagstay dito sa may first room sa harap. Sila Lucia, si Lucia pala yung kasama namin nun. Ngayon kasama na si Daisy. Hi Daisy!
Sa'yo, woo! Ikaw?
Woo! Ha! Hello! And my ate. Hello ate!
Yes?
Go ahead.
Set.
Whee! How about my ate? Yay! What's that, anak?
Ano sabi niyan? Ano sabi niyan?
Cow? It's not a car. Ate, same color kayo. Let's go to the beach na.
Well, that's my favorite color. I like rainbow, so I like all the colors of this world.
Okay.
Daisy, bye-bye. Ito kami.
Hi, ate.
Mommy, you want to collect shells with me?
Sure, baby. Hi, Daisy.
Mommy, can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me, Mommy?
What are those? Let me see.
Shells.
Shells.
They're beautiful.
Hello.
If you want to hold it, Mommy, Mommy, can you please hold it?
Wait, I'll get you a
Hi ka,
container.
bilis. Hi, hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi ka, bilis.
Lasim na. Daisy, hi! Sarap mag-swim. Let's swim, Mom! Swimming tayo, ate!
Hi!
Marami ka na shells?
Yes!
Let's collect some shells. Show me. Dali, mga nakuha mo. Wow, so many. Bye!
Sarap magdagat.
Cute, nakatingin siya. Yes, yes, yes.
Hey! Damay ka pa dito, bilis. Nice, Mom. Ubing! Ah!
Wow, it's a big one. Is it a shell or just a stone?
Maybe. It feels like a shell.
Okay.
It's so big. Can I put this here, Dad?
Hi. Boy! Boy, happy birthday, boy! Boy, sarap ba magdagat? Ate!
Ate, say hi.
Ate!
Oh, go swim. Go swim na, go. Oh, so cute. Hi, DC.
Ayun pa. Ayun.
Hi.
Nakikita niyo yung mga ilaw eh. Ayun. Ayun,
Wow. Thank you po. Wait, let's eat dinner. So, ulam namin, beef caldereta and adobong pusit. Let's eat. Ate. We ordered yellow mango. Let's try it. Ate, try. You try. Is it yum? Like it? How about DC?
Isi oh.
DC.
Woo!
Yeah. DC. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. Ayun na yung service. So, dito kami kumain sa may mango plate. Bamboo plate mango glue. May tabi ka. Ito na yung shuttle. So, nagparadya lang kami para dito na kami sunduin. O, sakay na, baby!
Busy. What's up, my boy? Nice.
Hi guys, yun lang. Matutulog na kami ngayon. This is our first night. Bye. And DC, say good night to them, anak. Good night, everyone. See you again tomorrow. Bye. Morning, guys. It's our day 2 here and habang tulog pa sila, mag-walk ako sa labas. Tapos, we'll do a hotel tour. Hello again, everyone. Let's have a quick morning walk around the resort. Time check, guys, it's around 5:40 a.m. today and I think we have a very good weather condition to start our day. Ito yung pool nila. Malapit to sa may reception area. I remember, nag-swimming dito si Luchi. Meron din pala dito namang restroom and shower. Yan, ang ganda. Most of the time, pag nasa bakasyon kami, ako talaga yung pinakaunang nagigising. So, I'm taking this chance to have my alone time, walking outside, appreciating the view. Yan, konting hotel tour para mapakita namin sa inyo guys yung lugar na pinupuntahan namin. And also, a quick preparation for me na rin to start my day with my family. So, this is our second time na pala dito sa La Jolla. I think around 3 years ago nung nagpunta kami dito. And around June yun kasi birthday ko. And this year, sa-celebrate naman namin yung birthday naman ni DC. He's turning 2 tomorrow. Sobrang ganda pa din dito. Actually, sobrang laki kasi ng La Jolla, kaya maganda din siyang puntahan. Kung ang gusto nyong ma-achieve is makapag-relax talaga, lalo na summer time and gusto nyong makasama yung family nyo, this is a perfect place na puntahan nyo. Yun. Tsaka payapa lang yung beach dito. So, may mga toddlers kayo. Like yesterday, nag-enjoy naman din si DC nung nag-swimming siya dyan sa dagat. Ito na nga pala yung gazebo. Good morning, Bataan! Ito pala yung hotel reception. Tapos dito, waiting area. Parang may small cafe din sila dito. Yan, may mga pastries. And meron din mga choice of coffees. May adventure park din pala sila, kaso temporarily closed. Yan, ang saya sana niya. Activity. Lalo na sa mga kids. Ang saya na to. Pabalik na ako sa room. Nag-message na sa tatay. Feeling ko gising na sila DC. Yan. Laki pala yung parking space nila. So maraming mga cars na ma-accommodate. Yan. Balik muna tayo sa room, guys. Good morning!
Good morning!
Ate, good morning! Let's go! Breakfast! Good morning, DC! Let's go, ate! Mami!
Okay, mami.
Punta tayo sa Mango. Ano nga pa? Mango Cafe. Doon yung breakfast buffet. Papunta pala sa Mango Cafe. Mayroon na silang wellness spa. Ito. Bago lang to eh. I think. Tapos nasa ibaba siya. Tada! Sa mga gustong magpa-spa. Sure, daan tayo sa playground, anak. Go ahead, go na.
Punta ka sa playground, baby.
Go, baby.
Wow.
Wow! Wow! Let's go to the playground. There. Ang bilis si ate. Wow! Sakay kayo, dali. Sasakay si DC. Wow! Yay! Also, may ate. Hello, ate. O, paunahan kay ni DC. And also, tatay. DC, go! Yeah! 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 Yo! 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 Appear! Appear! Appear, baby!
High five.
High five! Up! Go up! O, go to tatay. Go up there. There, o, anak ko. Go up. Sige. Wow! Again, go to tatay. Oh, let's go to ate. Wow! Wow! Ay, bumaba mag-isa yan. What? 1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
You're not.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Ayun lang yung mango cafe. Ate, let's go na. Yes, love. Mango cafe. Let's go po, ate. Wait, let's see. Go. Go na, timetable na. Good morning. Let's play some blocks. And my ate, hello. May small playground pala dito sa loob ng Mango Cafe. Ate, good morning.
Wala.
Hi, love.
I'm playing in a small pool.
Hello.
I think.
Wow.
Oh, mabasa si Titi.
Sweet. Hi. Oh, sa ate.
My hair's so red.
Yes.
Oh, tulak ko na siya doon. Tulak ko na siya doon. Ah.
Mermaid is more magical than sharks. Oh wait, Darby Hi.
May. Daddy shark.
Daddy shark. Rainbow magic.
DC. Daw. Gusto niya magpatanggal sa ano. Tay. Oh. Sama, mami. Sama. Swim, baby.
No, I have no mermaid tail, but
Ang galing ni DC, oh. Ginagamit niya yung kamay niya tsaka paa. Oh. Yay! Swimming.
better than shark.
Please, mom.
Oh, swim, swim,
Mommy,
swim.
can we see mermaid? Look. You'll be the mermaid.
Nalagyan na ako sa tenga.
You'll be the mermaid. You'll be the Mom, you'll be the queen mermaid.
I will be the queen mermaid.
Yes, and I'll be the
Darira!
Darira.
Mermaid!
Tambay sa beach. Hi, ate ko! Ate! Iikot yan, iikot. Hey, careful! Let's eat, take lunch. We have pork and chicken adobo, tsaka kangkong with tofu.
Kangkong corn tofu.
Ito pala yung spa. Malapit lang siya dun sa playground na pinaglalaroan nila Lucia. Right across doon yung gym. Kanina ginamit to ni tatay nung nag-afternoon nap sila DC. DC, let's go! Come on, anak! 3 years ago, wala pa to. Bago lang to. Yan. Spacious naman yung gym nila. So, meron ditong water dispenser. May mga weights. May treadmill. Hi, ate! May bike. May basketball court. Tapos may mga ATV din. Feeling ko mga pwedeng i-rent yun. Ate, that's too high for you.
Hindi, meron complimentary daw na ano.
Sa mga gustong mag-gym, meron sila dito. Meron din parang tennis court. Ayan, tennis court. So, kung gusto nyong mag-stay active, puntahan naman natin yung game room sa kabila. Mag-billiards tayo.
Hindi, game yung arcade.
Ah, meron! O, di try din natin yan. Kailangan pumunta ng reception para may mag-assist daw. Yan, may mga bike din na pwede gamitin.
Parang asarap yun.
Ang saya nga eh, no? Ay, no?
Bukas daw pwede.
8 AM? Yung bike.
Oo.
Okay. May bayad pala yan. How much daw, tay?
400 sa billiards.
Billiards. Tapos iba pa yung sa arcade.
Sa arcade, 130. Ay, tatlong token, 100.
Okay. May setup pala sila dito dahil Mother's Day tomorrow. Let's eat na. Teka, kain na ako. Pati na. Easy, wait for tatay. Good morning, DC. Happy birthday. We're going to the beach. Hi, ate. We're gonna collect some shells. O, dali ate. Here, ganun. Hi.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Ay, naku po, nantok.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isa si DC.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Good morning, DC. Birthday niya po today. Come on, baby. Let's drink milk muna. Hi! Good morning, birthday boy. Good morning. I love you. You wanna swim? Bye! Say bye! DC!
Sawang-sawa tayo sa swimming sa Siargao, huwag ka mag-alala boy. Na-extend pa tayo isang araw.
Bye!
Naanto kami!
Birthday love! Say ate! Bobo! Bobo! Baby, come back! You see ya!
Diba?
Go swim, go swim!
Swim, swim.
Go!
Ate na lang. Kailan siya pakit. Set, go! La 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 la. Nahihulog si Ma.
Ang bilis natin!
Hindi na yata nakuha si Luchi.
Nag-dive ako.
Nag-dive ikaw. Breakfast! Birthday breakfast!
Happy birthday!
Breakfast! Birthday breakfast, DC! Hi, ate! Say hi! Let's eat some breakfast! DC! Ate! Sing happy birthday! To you! Yay! Oh, blow the candle, baby! Thank you po! Blow, baby!
Blow.
You can do it! Oh, help DC, ate!
Ikaw natin.
Yay! Thank you po! Yay! Happy birthday, love! It's time to go home! Bye, room! Bye! Yan, make sure na walang makalimutan. Bye, view! Ate, DC! Let's go na! Yung cards nakuha mo na tayo. Here. Happy birthday, DC! Oh! Say bye-bye to them.
Blow my candle.
That's it for today, guys. See you again in our next one. Happy birthday. I love you.